Amazon Kindle Scribe Review, a game changer for readers and note-takers. The Amazon Kindle Scribe is more than just an e-reader, it's a revolutionary device that combines the joy of reading with the productivity of note-taking. Selected as one of Oprah's favorite things 2023, this Kindle offers a seamless experience for avid readers and multitaskers. At the heart of the Kindle Scribe is its 10.2-inch, 300 ppi Paperwhite display, delivering a glare-free and paper-like experience perfect for reading and writing. Whether you're jotting down notes directly in books, sketching ideas, or annotating documents, the included basic pen makes it intuitive and distraction-free. The Scribe shines with its note-taking capabilities. You can convert handwritten notes into text and share them via the Kindle app, ensuring your ideas are accessible on the go. Importing PDFs or Microsoft Word documents for markup is a breeze, making it an excellent tool for professionals and students. Its battery life is unparalleled, lasting up to 12 weeks for reading or 3 weeks for writing on a single charge. Unlike traditional tablets, the Scribe offers a focused, immersive experience without constant recharging. Pros and cons. Pros: high-resolution display for a natural reading and writing experience. Versatile note-taking features, including text conversion and document markup. Exceptional battery life for long-lasting usage. Lightweight and sleek design with sustainability features. Cons: premium price points may deter budget-conscious buyers. Limited advanced writing tools compared to traditional tablets. Final verdict: the Kindle Scribe is perfect for anyone seeking a dual-purpose device that simplifies reading and productivity. While it comes with a premium price, its innovative features and seamless functionality make it a worthy investment for readers, writers, and professionals alike. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.